Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. So we're working on a wood round today. The color that I have flooded already is Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. So that's my base. I'm gonna go ahead and torch out some of these air bubbles that are surfacing. Thank you for joining me here. I know it's been a while. I've been posting a little less, but I thank you all for joining me. If you're new watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate your support. And we're going to go ahead and get started with the colors here. So first color I'm putting down is Winsor Violet by Winsor and Newton. It's a beautiful, rich purple. Look how beautiful that is. So we're going to go ahead and start with that color. Now, I'm going to go from here down and there. Okay. I love the purple, just in time for the springtime. I love it. My next color is Deep Turquoise by Winsor and Newton. Again, another beautiful color here. So let's go ahead. I love these colors for the summertime or the springtime. What do you think about this? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me, guys, what color palettes would you like to see now for the spring and summertime? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Now I have Ultramarine Light by Amsterdam, a beautiful new color they have. It's been a little bit since they put this one out. I am totally loving these colors. Very, very summery, fresh. Next color I have Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza, and this one has a little shimmer to it. As you know, Arteza paints tend to have. I think I have to mix some more of this because I am almost out in this bottle. Beautiful. Next, instead of my Deco Art 24 karat gold, I wanted to use Iridescent Silver by Pebeo for this color combination. So that's my next color. And then my last color is a beautiful Pearl Pastel Green by Arteza. Check her out. Debuting. She's gorgeous. So that's just to brighten this baby up. How beautiful is that? Tell me what you think. Let's see how this one turns out. I hope the color palette is gorgeous. Let's go ahead, torch out again. Air bubbles coming to the surface. And if you're new watching, the reason I use the torch and torch out the top is just to get rid of the air bubbles or air pockets coming up to the surface of your painting. If you let them dry like that, it will create pinholes in your painting when it dries, and you don't want to do that. Now I'm using my travel hair dryer, slow setting, and we're going to go ahead and begin and fan this out. Let's go. I'm not loving the purple pocket here that I have, but I can always kind of come in with my finger. And then I'll blow in and push it in more. I love the reaction. What a beautiful cell reaction here. We're going to go ahead push that in. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. It's so subtle, so beautiful. I don't like the streak I have here, but I'm going to go ahead and blow it out. Let me push this out of the way. And I'm going to first blow in here. Okay. Kind of distort it a little bit to break up that beautiful. Okay. So what I did was I just brought in some of that blue and kind of like created some depth of color there. And I'm going to erase this purple coming in. Just like that. Okay. And you can stop when you're happy with it. So I'm just going to grab some of the regular purple and put it in here. There we go. Kind of like erasing the lines there. So I like that. I like that opening. Love it. Okay, so come down to the table. Let's take a look. Okay, so here are the wet results. And look how reactive it was. Look at that webbing and lacing in there. Check out those colors together. How beautiful is this? I am super happy with the color palette. Look at the clusters of cells there. Love the lightness of that webbing fanning out. Huge webbing here reaction, as you can see. And check her out. Look how gorgeous that cell reaction there. Beautiful clusters. Love the color. Love the pops of the darker Winsor and Newton, the Winsor Violet. Beautiful color palette. Check her out. Tell me what you think about her. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you for watching, for supporting. And if you're new, like I said previously, thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, thumbs up, share it. I appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.